fucking rain, guys. Look at this little one. What are you doing up there, Blackie? What are you doing up there? You found a little spot. Look at him. I just came out. I saw him like this. Oh. Look at you, mate. What is this? Sometimes I just want to be a dog. Hello, come here. Blackie, come here. Blackie. Rocky. Blackie. Blackie. Come on. I'm going to take you for a little walk around the neighbourhood. These are the best headphones, guys. Buenas. Buenos dias, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good night. Look at this. Some people have got huge land around here, look. Buenas tardes. Julia. Hello. Play soccer. Walking. Look at that. That looks cool. Shall we go down here? I guess it's like a barrio or something. It's pretty cool actually. At least the this ground is more like a sandy base, so it's not really muddy, which is great because it's rained so hard. Like if it was a mud sort of surface, it'd be so muddy, but like you can see, it's more sandy, so that is a real blessing, because if it was muddy, it would be shocking. Coconuts, man. Coconuts. Goodness. One is $2.50. That means $2.50. Okay. All right. I get it. One pair of boxer shorts for $2.50. Not bad. 92% cotton. How's the guys working? Buenas tardes. They're happy people, the El Salvadorians. I like them. Friendly. They're friendly now, anyway. Dinner in Pollo there. What about dinner here, man? What about that one? 3 pieces. Okay, gracias. Can I? Naughty guy. Naughty guy. Naughty boy. Guys, come on guys. Can you believe it? What's happening here? My ice cream? What's happening here, man? Hey, bonus. What's happening here? That's not healthy, guys. Spirit, mind and body. What happened to you? I needed something to wash down that greasy chicken. That chicken was greasy. Well, not bad. That's a big ice cream for $1. I don't know, $1.30 or something. I don't care if this is naughty and I break the rules of my fitness regime, but good walk, walking off the ice cream. I love the style of this arcade. Really well designed. Well designed. what is that place there, guys? Look. Nice. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful, whatever it is. Look at that. Gentleman just tell me it's a funeral home. I said I don't want to go there because they'll be dead, but I said it's beautiful. He said in the colonial times it was a presidential palace. See, you never know, guys. Look at that. Look at this tree, guys. Look at this. Is that incredible? I think that's Jack and the Beanstalk in real life. When I saw the word funerale or something, I was like, is that funeral house? Okay. Wow, it's a beautiful place.